Lag ruining your game? Before you blame your PC or your internet, check the one thing most gamers overlook: their Ethernet cable. Today, I'm showing you the best Ethernet cables for gamers that actually boost speed, cut latency, and keep your connection rock solid during intense matches. If you want smoother gameplay and zero interruptions, stay tuned. All the product links are in the description. Go check them out anytime. Let's jump in. Product 5. Ugreen Cat 8 Ethernet cable. 6FT lag spikes ruined your stream or gaming clutch moments. Buffering, stutter, and unpredictable ping killing the vibe. Tried Wi-Fi boosters, yet latency and noise persisted. Meet Ugreen Cat 8 Ethernet. Wired speed redefined instantly. Ultra-fast 40 subs and 2000 MHz bandwidth for lag-free gameplay. Shielded FTP pairs plus gold-plated RJ45 reduce interference. Braided jacket, reinforced strain relief, 10,000 bend tested durability. Supports PoE power except 65-fit. Easy camera installs, plug and play with PS5, Xbox, routers, modems, PCs, NAS. Swapped my Wi-Fi for Cat 8. Instant ping drop, smoother frames. Streaming 4K, zero stutter, uploads blazing fast now. IT Pros. Stable backbone connections, low crosstalk, validated performance, built with metal shields and latch protectors for reliability. Ugreen Cat 8. Future-proof your network with pro-grade cable. Grab a 6FT braided Cat 8 now. Upgrade your connection. Check the product link in the description and grab yours now. Product 4. Ultra Clarity. Cables Cat 6 Ethernet cable. My entire gaming stream froze mid-final. Lights go dark. I blamed ISP, restarted router, cursed the lag demon. Technician arrived, ran tests, everything looked miraculously fine. Yet dropouts persisted, packets vanished, games throttled to crawl. Turns out the villain wasn't ISP. It was wiring enter Ultra Clarity. Cat 6, 100 10 G-shot beeps, 500 MHz. Power 8 solid copper conductors. Gold-plated RJ45. Signal armor. PVC jacket and molded strain relief survive weather and tugs. Internal spline reduces crosstalk. Whisper quiet, low-loss transmission. 10 GB bandwidth killed lag. Ping dropped. Frames stayed steady. PS5 raid ran flawlessly. Teammates cheered. I cried, victory. ETL verified, ROHS compliant, CM rated. Professional, worry-free networking. 1-year replacement and USA-based support. They actually answer gamers, network admins, home users. Stop blaming ghosts. Swap to Ultra Clarity. Cat 6 now, my man. Check the product link in the description and grab yours today. Check the product. Product 3, Orbram Cat 8 Ethernet cable 50-foot, cut lag, crush buffering, 40 GB. Cat 8 cable for ultimate speeds. Perfect for streamers, gamers, and IT pros demanding flawless connections. Streaming 4K live shows with zero dropped frames or interruptions. Engineered SFTP shielding reduces crosstalk, EMI, and network noise. Massive 40 Mbps bandwidth and 2000 MHz frequency for lightning transfers. 24K gold-plated RJ45 ends. Ensure low-loss, corrosion-resistant contacts. Ultra-thin 0.13-inch flat braided profile. Hides under carpets easily. Double nylon braid withstands 10,000 bends and daily wear. Works with routers, switches, consoles, PCs, NAS, and more. Flat cable flexes easily along walls, edges, and furniture. No lag, instant matchmaking, stable ping for competitive gaming. Professional-grade SFTP and 26 AWG conductors. Ideal for server rooms. Transfer terabytes, stream without hiccups, and host stable servers. Reinforced strain relief and gold contacts maintain lasting performance. Upgrade your network now. Experience Orbram Cat 8 performance today. Check the product link in the description and grab yours today. Product 2. Ethernet cable, 25FT. Looking for ultra-fast, reliable network cable? Meet Cat 8 25FT. Reason 1. Blazing 40 Gbps and 2000 MHz for zero-lag gaming. Stream 4K, upload, and download simultaneously with confident stability. Reason 2. Ultra-thin 0.11-inch flat cable hides neatly along edges. Run under carpets, along walls, keep setups tidy and minimal. Reason 3. Weatherproof SFTP shielding blocks interference, stays durable. 24K gold-plated RJ45 protects connections against corrosion and signal loss. Designed for gamers, streamers, and network admins demanding peak performance. Backward compatible with Cat 7, Cat 6, Cat 5s, and plug and play. Flexible, snagless design bends thousands of times without breaking. Outdoor-ready PVC jacket resists UV, rain, cold, and heat. Perfect for high-density installs, data centers, routers, consoles, and PCs. Grab cleaner cable management, faster speeds, and dependable connectivity today. Tap the link, add to cart, upgrade your network instantly. Check the product link in the description and grab yours today. Product 1. Senatem Cat 8. Ethernet cable 100 FT. Apartment lights flicker. Lag spikes ruin tonight's marathon stream. My team waits, my audience counts on flawless, instant gameplay. Wireless drops, buffering spins. Every second feels like eternity. I plug in a Senatem Cat 8 cable. Sleek, shielded lifeline. Flat design slips under the door, disappears under carpet. 40 Gbps, 2000 MHz. Data moves like lightning through calm wires. SFTP shielding, 24K gold contacts block noise, ensure stability. Plugs into PS5, router, switch, everything recognizes pure speed. Server racks hum. Streamers cheer. Competitive gamers reclaim victory. Gold-plated RJ45 flashes under neon, reliable and refined. PVC jacket resists water and corrosion. Outdoor-ready confidence everywhere. Latency drops. Video stabilizes. The match resumes. Flawless. I lean back, headset off, victorious grin spreading. Small cable, massive difference. Professional grade where it matters. Upgrade your network. Choose Senatem Cat 8 for unstoppable speed. Check the product link in the description to grab yours now.